So let's start. So this is part 3 of this painting and the final part where I am going to paint literally everything which is remaining in this painting. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. In previous part of this same painting, I have painted all the stuff which you can see on the painting, that is the spectacle, skin and the lips. So now it's time to add the details, that may be his clothes, his ring, his hair and the background. The background is going to be super duper cute and very nice, so you will learn a very nice technique there from which you can paint any background for any watercolor painting. So let's start it without wasting any time. So I just first of all I thought that why not to make it really basic, like same in the reference, which is directly literally pink. So that's why I started with the pink color, but afterwards I just thought why not to add something creative in it. I love painting because I just add a creative touch of me in that painting, which makes me feel really happy. So that's why I just thought why not to add something else. So here I have my pink color and I'm just adding something. So let's just fast forward it a bit and let's see how I'm going to paint this background. Let me tell you one more thing, guys. Let's create some suspense. In the next upcoming video, I'm going to upload a video which is going to be an art challenge, which is going to be like super duper interesting, which you will definitely love. It's going to be an entertaining video and very very professional video, so make sure you do watch and create suspense about this. And Shruti Arts family, make sure to share this video with literally everyone, because I'll be coming with really good content from now, and like it's going to be really entertaining, it's going to be fun, it's going to be creative with a lot of tutorials. For that you need to support me, because your support just makes me feel happy, makes me feel really motivated. So that's the point. Your comment just motivates me a lot. Why don't you, like, if you watch the video, then make sure you do hit a like and also make sure you do comment, so that just motivates me a lot. And I just gave shout out. I had an event on previous Saturday or Friday maybe, which I just uploaded the story on my Instagram. So that's why I told I always tell you that why do you people don't follow me on my Instagram, because I also gave shout outs to my YouTube subscribers comments to that event. Like thousands of people watched your comments, that what you have commented on my video, like the best comment were on the screen in front of many people. So just imagine, if you want that shout out, then make sure you do follow me. As you can see, I just added the hairs. I'm not adding the details. I just painted the base layer and afterwards added some strands. Now for the thin strands, I'm going to make some thin strands with a normal brush. So the final part is we will paint the shirt, which is also the main thing. So I'll just copy the reference, the values, and also we'll see where is the darker area, where is the lighter area, and I'll follow the same technique that I followed for the skin, that is I'll paint layer by layer. For each layer I'll just concentrate and will try to get the same thing which is inside the reference. And try me, this turned out really nice. So let's just quickly complete it. I will add the final touch of painting with color pencils. That is not painting, but I'll just add more values with the color pencil thing. So I'll just grab different color pencil of the same shade and going to paint where the areas it need to be darker or where the areas it need to be more lighter. So just observe how I'm doing it. I really hope you liked the video. This is how the painting turned out. Now the time is to remove the masking tape and let's see how this looks. It really looked amazing, guys. Trust me, if you need to follow me on my Instagram, here are all of my IDs. You can go and follow me there, and make sure you do subscribe Shruti Arts for more videos like this. And if you want to get connected with me, make sure you do follow me and also subscribe Shruti Arts, as I said, and also share this video with all your friends. So make sure you stay excited for the upcoming art challenge. I hope you are. I'll update literally everything on my Instagram. Till that, take care and bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video.